Size of service entrance conductors. National Electrical Code specifies that service entrance conductors shall have a current carrying capacity sufficient to carry the load for dwelling occupancies. The code permits the use of either of two methods to determine the size of these conductors. Method 1. Standard method. General lighting load 1500 square feet at 3 watts per square foot, 4500 watts. Small appliance load 320 ampere appliance circuit at 1500 watts per circuit, 4500 watts. Total without range 9000 watts. Application of demand factor 3000 watts at 100% equals to 3000 watts. 9000 minus 3000 equals to 6000 watts at 35% equals to 2100 watts. Net computed load without range 5100 watts. Wall-mounted oven and counter-mounted cooking unit 6000 plus 4000 equals to 10,000 watts at 80% equals to 8000 watts. Net computed load with range 5100 plus 8000 equals to 13,100 watts. Electric space heating 12,000 watts. Air conditioning wattage is 8 times 230 equals to 1840 watts. This value is less than the 12,000 watts of space heating. Therefore, the air conditioner load need to be included in the service calculation. Water heater 3000 watts. Dryer 5000 watts. Dishwasher 1276 watts. Garbage disposal 1077 watts. Total 10353 watts. Since there are 4 appliances in addition to the cooking units and space heating, a demand factor of 75% may be applied to the fixed appliance load. Thus, 10353 times 0.75 equals to 7765 watts. Total calculated load 13100 plus 12000 plus 7765 equals to 32865 watts. Amperes equals to watts by volts equals to 32865 divided by 230 equals to 142.9 amperes. For a load of 142.9 amperes, number 1 RHW or THW wire may be installed as the copper service entrance conductors. It should be noted that for single family residences with initial load of 10 kilowatt or more, there shall be a minimum of 100 ampere 3-wire service. This minimum also applies to residences that have 6 or more 2-wire branch circuits. Method number 2. This method simplifies the calculations and usually results in a smaller size of service entrance than is permitted by method 1. 1500 square feet at 3 watts per square foot, 4500 watts. 320 amperes appliance circuits at 1500 watts per circuit, 4500 watts. Wall-mounted oven, 4000 watts. Counter-mounted cooking unit, 6000 watts. Water heater, 3000 watts. Dryer, 5000 watts. Dishwasher, 1276 watts. Garbage disposal, 1077 watts. Electric space heating, 12,000 watts. Air conditioner wattage is 8 times 230 equals to 1840 watts. This value is less than the 12,000 watts of space heating. Therefore, the air conditioner load need to be included in the service calculation. Total load 41,353 watts. Then first 10 kilowatt hour at 100% equals to 10,000 watts. Remainder of load at 40% equals to 12,541 watts. Total calculated load 22,541 watts. Amperes equals to watts by volts. 22,541 divided by 230 equals to 98 amperes. For a load of 98 amperes, number 4 RHW wire or equivalent may be installed as the copper service entrance conductors. Both methods 1 and 2 for determining total load are correct as far as the code is concerned. Therefore, the decision as to which method is permitted in an area is made by the local electrical inspector. To provide a single panel which will accommodate all the circuits in the residence, it's necessary to install a 200 ampere panel. Certain localities require that the conductor supplying a panel or switch must have a current carrying capacity equal to the rating of the panel or switch. Therefore, for the residence covered in this unit, number 2/0 RHW or equivalent wire is required for the service entrance. The installation of number 2/0 RHW wire or equivalent will give the homeowner full 200 ampere capacity.